day 4 is trying to make $100,000. So what we're trying to do is basically create this prime bottle flipping game, guys. Look at this awesome physics. This is not in Unity or anything else. This is literally in the browser, but it is being developed in Electron.js, which makes it a desktop application. We will sell this. We will definitely sell this game to $10,000. And if only 10 people actually buy this game, we would have made gained the $100,000. So that is basically it for this project. What have we created for now? We've basically added some UI. So we have the game title here. We have the prime flip game. We have the levels and the money that you can earn from this game. So you can actually make money from this game. How cool is that in game, of course? And what is today's hot take? That is, the new Eminem is sometimes corny. And that is actually true, guys. That is so true. Debate me in the comments. I don't care what you want to say. Just debate me in the comments, and we may take a look at it from there. But this is it. We basically created this little where did it go? Where did it go? So this is the bottle. This is the prime bottle. It's very, very like this is not the final result. We just started this journey, but it's going to be fun. Yeah, so you can basically click on it and it will apply physics. And thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will definitely come and find you if you don't do that. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.